Friends, I'm having my cup of morning tea, and today's plan is to actually get the permits for Khardungla and all those places. So once I get those things done, then I will be doing the trip altogether. So meet you guys after some time. Good morning, YouTube. So this is me all ready to go, and today is the second day in Leh. Yesterday what happened was the bike needed to be repaired and I got it serviced. The overall cost for repair and everything was close to 3,000 bucks. Right now it is approximately close to 10 degrees Celsius and it is 9:30. I did ask one of the agents to go and get me the inline permit. So the inline permit costs approximately 500 bucks. I have decided to only do Khardungla. With regards to the Kargil episode, what really happened to me was not really AMS, rather it was because of lack of sleep and too much of a stress. So that's the reason why my hands and my face, everything was actually tingly kind of a feeling I had. तो खैर अभी उससे ज़्यादा तो मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. कल का तो पूरा दिन ही वेस्ट गया था मेरा, वेर एन आई जस्ट वेंट टू रॉयल एनफील्ड service center. After that got it fixed, got the bike fixed. I got the bike back by around about I think 4 बजे तक मैं वापस आया. तो पूरा दिन तो ख़राब हुआ था उसकी वजह से. एंड शाम को मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करी. दैट इज़ खारदुंगला बाय द वे. I'm not sure if the lens will pick it up. So it's actually covered with clouds over there. So that is actually Khardungla. Here there is a problem with the internet. I'm not at all able to upload any of the videos. Yesterday I tried, but upload speed zero है, literally zero है. Hey guys, so it's close to 1 o'clock and I'm going towards Khardungla today, and I just recently got half an hour back I got a permit.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
here at Khardungla. क्या हुआ?
पंचर किट है।
नहीं, मेरे को अभी बताया उसने कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है बोल के। क्या हो गया? मैं भाग के आया
यार पंचर है।
ओहो,
नॉट एन इशू। अब निकलो, मैं इधर बना के ले जा।
मैं तो यहीं पे रहूँगा, उसके बाद वापस आ रहा हूँ मैं आप लोगों के पास। Okay guys, so there was a puncture in one of the bikes. So Junaid is actually taking that bike with the puncture all the way. So even I didn't actually have the puncture kit right now. I actually left it in the hotel. And other guys are actually going through to Leh.
I'm here at Khardungla top. Finally, once again. There you go. And there is a bike. So let me just take a little bit of breath here.
मैं कुछ लेकर आऊँ नीचे से? Are you sure? तेरे साथ ही चल लेता हूँ। Sure?
ये अपना रेगुलर काम है भाई, नथिंग न्यू।
शाम को और मिलते हैं, ठीक है भाई?
हाँ भाई।
चल। Okay guys, so I'm back, going back to Leh. Just FYI for all of you guys, you will not get any mobile signals around here, so don't even think of trying to click a picture and try sending it immediately. There will be no live telecast, nothing. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm totally breathless. I spent like around an hour, and somehow Junaid found a way to actually get the puncture fixed, I guess. So anyways, it's close to 5 degrees temperature here. Lots of tourists. But what's that? Whatever it is, it looks good. So I'll be going down to Leh and having lunch. I hope Nikhil and the rest of the group has also come back to Leh by now. So today being 4th of August, I might have to run to Delhi. Let's see how that goes. So it's going to be again within 48 hours. I have to do 1,000 kilometers, which should not be a problem. However, when you talk about hills, that would be a problem. So basically Manali, which is like around 400 odd kilometers from here, and from Manali another 700 kilometers to Delhi. Oh boy. And surprisingly, Himalayan was not struggling at this height. Unlike other bikes I have seen, Himalayan didn't struggle at all. There was a slight little bit of power loss. That's about it. And the most surprising part is that beginning of the trip, I was a little bit skeptical about the tires, the front and the rear. Those being C8 tires, I didn't really trust them, honestly speaking. Hey guys, so I am back in the hotel and Junaid bhai is back. He spent almost close to 1.5 hours fixing the tire altogether. So how was your experience 1.5 hours?
Basically, it's like there is a particular saying: you train hard, fight easy.
See, that's Junaid for you.